Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Looking for the perfect ice cube solution? Wibby Men Ice Cube Tray makes ice a breeze, crafted from durable plastic for easy release. Simply twist for perfectly round ice cubes. Compact design fits in any fridge space. Stylish ice balls elevate your drink presentation. Food-grade materials ensure safe freezing. Versatile for cocktails, coffee, and more. Infuse flavors for a refreshing twist. Don't miss out. Order yours today.
Product 2.
Are you ready to elevate your cooking game? The Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer is a game changer. Cook 2 dishes at once with its dual basket design. Enjoy healthier meals with little to no oil needed. Sync finish ensures all your food is ready together. Monitor your cooking easily through large viewing windows. Versatile temperature settings from 200-450 degrees safe give you control. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe baskets. Perfect for chicken, fries, veggies, and more. Don't wait. Order your Chefman air fryer today.
Product 3.
Are you tired of soggy, burnt popcorn? Meet the Ecolution Micro Pop Popcorn Popper. This popper uses durable borosilicate glass. No oil or butter is needed for perfect popping. The dual lid melts butter and measures kernels. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Enjoy healthy snacks in just 3 minutes. Watch your popcorn pop for the best results. Say goodbye to unhealthy prepackaged popcorn. Order yours today and elevate movie nights.
Product 4.
Tired of messy juicing? Try this. The Ninja JC151 never clogs and juices non-stop. Enjoy total pulp control with 2 filters. It features simple one-touch programs for ease. The high-torque motor powers through tough ingredients. Assembly is a breeze for quick setup and cleaning. The anti-drip lever keeps your space spotless. Compact design fits easily under cabinets. All parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Order yours today and elevate your juicing game.
Product 5.
Craving a delicious frozen treat at home? The Ninja Creamy Deluxe makes it easy and fun. Create ice cream, sorbet, and more with ease. It features 11-in-1 functions for endless options. Enjoy family-sized 24 Oz. Tubs for everyone. The dual processing lets you mix flavors creatively. Customize treats with your favorite ingredients. Simply prepare, freeze, and process in 3 steps. Experience creamy textures with advanced technology. Don't wait. Order your Ninja Creamy Deluxe today.
Product 6.
Are you ready for the best coffee experience ever? The Keurig K-Mini brews 6 to 12 algos of coffee. It's less than 5 inches wide, fits anywhere. Enjoy fresh coffee made in minutes, effortlessly. The 1-cup reservoir is super convenient. Travel mugs up to 7 inches fit perfectly here. It features cord storage for a tidy countertop. Energy efficient with auto off after 90 seconds. Brew your own coffee with the My K-Cup filter. Don't wait. Grab your Keurig K-Mini now.